Hello, my fellow readers. Today we will be reading a Halloween treat. Don't push the button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Before we get started, be sure to watch until the end and like and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left. But I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Again! Louder! That's better. Looks like there's a note. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you trick-and-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween, everyone! I told you we should trick-and-treat at this house. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book. Be sure